An associate degree is basically a sped up bachelor's degree. Instead of 4 years, it only takes 2 years. It has the same difficulty degree as a bachelor's. The difference is that your student loans will not get too high and you will still be young when you graduate. It is a practical degree, more fitting for a cybersecurity job. You learn by doing and you learn subjects that you can apply in the real world. The bachelor's is more theory based, therefore it can be more difficult if you aren't interested in theory exams that you will forget in a few years and more into practical exams. The advantage of practical learning is that it will stick with you through time. Let's dive in some projects for this semester. Here are some timestamps you can skip to the part that interests you the most. Firstly, we are going to talk about Python. Python is a programming language. You can code just about anything into existence with Python. What we decided on for this semester is to build a virus. We designed it to be class-based. The functions of the virus implies the following. It takes a screenshot every minute of the entire screen. It takes a picture from the webcam every 60 seconds. If you don't have a webcam, it will skip this function. It will record everything all the time. Antivirus will not detect this program. If you reboot the PC, it will still run. And lastly, it logs every keystroke you make. All this data will be sent and exported into a Gmail account that we control. Next up is infrastructure. This semester, we customized an entire Active Directory environment with one domain master that made the forest and a lot of domain controllers. We designed the forest so that the domain master has one peer and the rest are all below in the hierarchy, but still can customize their entire Active Directory without restrictions. The point of this assignment is that every class will make one big AD environment, Active Directory environment. The next step is that our class will pentest another class and they will pentest us. For those who don't know what a pentest is, it's basically a security check. Next we have on the job. Okay, this is a fun one. We each got a D1 mini controller. It looks like this. The previous group of coders made a CTF for the device. Capture the flag is not only a game but a sport. The goal of the sport is to capture the flag that is hidden in an insecure system. Our task is to complete the CTF and improve it. The hardest part of the CTF is the buffer overflow, which I'm still struggling to complete. We already are admins of the webpage and we have a low privilege shell. But there's more to this class. We are working for a company, in this case it's Eurofins. They are scouting for new employees and we need work experience, so it's a win-win situation in this case. I wouldn't call it an internship but rather a traineeship. Last but not least, we have Operating System Security, OSSEC for short. This is basically TryHackMe and more TryHackMe. The whole curriculum is built around TryHackMe. It's a great first step for getting into cybersecurity. They will explain everything in detail on TryHackMe, how to perform certain exploits and how to get started with Kali Linux. We reach a point where we no longer need to write essays about certain material, but rather have a practical exam like a CTF on the platform. That was it. Thanks for watching.